All right, guys, we're super excited to be here today.
Yes, sir.
And we have a very exciting package that you wanted us to skate. We saw your comments and it said, skate this, skate this, skate this, skate this, skate this. So we said, okay. Wow, that's heavy. Viro rides Vega electric scooter. Cruise up to 10 miles per hour.
That looks so fun.
Transforms from a scooter into a mini bike. Ages 8+.
What about a
Carlos is out.
bike? Looks like a Batmobile, but a scooter.
Let's get this wang danger open. Oh wow, that's heavy. Release the demon. All right, while you guys are setting this up, I'm gonna tell you about the Black Friday special. We have special packages only for Christmas. Once Christmas is over, it's done. No more special packages. And we have signed posters in every package. You'll never know who signed your poster until you get it. Everything in the Braille Skateboarding shop is up to 50% off right now, so you can go there.
www.brailleskateboarding.com. Be there or
Be square.
Be square.
That looks flattering.
Does it?
Yeah.
What about my hat?
Does it give my cheekbones a nice flavor?
If this is in the back version, I will literally hit anything in here. I'll hit the Braille drop, Gabe.
You will? You swear?
Back version.
Deal.
My hand hurts, I can't shake on it. We gotta lift the seat up. Where's the seat at? How's the handlebars? Where's the gas? Call you in this time of need.
What do you need, brother?
I'm trying to make it into a back. Wait, there's something in the back. Hold on, lift it up. Did it
It's
earlier.
this thing, I think.
That's just a kickstand, Luke.
No, there's
Oh.
something. What is this? A wheelie bar?
You gotta push this down so it could be on the bottom like the scooter.
We gotta do something. We can't ride it like this. What is this, a chopper? This is the Harley Davidson
That's actually sick.
version. Maybe we should look at the directions. Right here, look, 1, 2, 3. I don't think we want the handlebars that far forward.
Press and slide the deck button to lock in position 2.
Oh, wait. There we go, fixed it.
Oh!
We got it, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, we got them.
Something ain't right.
No, that's the seat. Wait, hold up, get up. I think there's something else maybe. We must be missing something. Oh, I see it. I see how it works. It's all coming together now. You pull this up somehow. The people who know how to put this together are probably cringing so hard.
Oh! Keep pushing.
It's good. It's working.
Almost there, brothers.
Oh!
There you go. That only took 17 people.
All right, let her rip.
Oh, that's sick.
Oh my God! Yeah, brother! Oh!
I told you the wheels aren't rubber. They don't grip. They do not grip, brother. Uh-oh, I think we died. Already?
Oh no, brother.
No, there, it's good, you're good. Oh, maybe it's not up all the way or something? It's on right now.
I know it's working, but it died. Real
And now it died.
What's happening? Gabe, we need an electric scooter professional. That's yourself. Thank you.
And now it died. I got traction now. I can't see a thing. I don't think this is street legal.
Whoa! Hey! Whoa, something broke!
No, we're good, brother. We don't need it. The handlebars.
Oh!
This is the most sketchy vehicle.
All right, let me try it, brother.
Dude, the handlebars are so sketchy. Yeehaw, brother!
Wow, this is the best invention ever.
I had serious high hopes for this thing.
Yeah, we can tell.
No, I want to get it rolling like this. Fetty, how'd you make it work?
Hit the ramp.
Dang it!
That was flying excitement.
I give up. Aaron, get on there.
Wow, I can almost get my groceries on this. Oh, nope, it died. Dang, this is the best Christmas present ever.
Hey, this thing goes 1 to 1 in 1 second.
Yeah, just push me really fast.
This thing sucks.
All right, scooter mode. Well, is that really how this works?
Yeah.
I just want to try. I just want to be a part of the gang.
Oh! No, you got it. You got it.
Almost got nutted. Yeehaw! Yeehaw, brother. Oh!
Hey, Uzi, take it in the mini ramp.
Okay.
Turn, brother.
Turn, okay. I think I needed more speed. You want to take it for a spin, gang?
Daddy, that's all you.
I don't do the mini ramp, but
Wow.
Did it make
oh,
it
that was the toilet. I thought it was kitchen on fire.
Oh! I've never seen Fetty get that scared, dude.
Hey, tries to launch up that on a kayak or whatever.
Yes,
Doesn't
dude.
care.
To roll away fakie, mind blown.
Oh!
Count it.
Scoot.
Yeah, definitely.
Scoot Magoot.
Oh! That was actually really good.
Damn, what a cutie pie.
Who can hit a tail whip?
You can't tell what.
Whoa!
I love how he rode away.
Yeah, I think he should hit the 5.
Hit the 5, Fetty.
I'm scared to burn the fire.
Oh!
He's what we call a scooter hog back in Miami. I don't know why I talk like that for Miami, but I don't know.
Do it again.
Put your foot on!
You got that.
Oh!
Oh,
You gonna hit the 5 too?
no, not a chance. Watch this. I might die. I was trying to power slide down.
Wow, this is excitement. It barely even goes fast enough to roll. Wow. Woohoo! Man down, man down.
I don't think I can make it up there.
You can land this, Fetty. You can.
This is why we can't have nice things.
Oh yeah, brother.
Wow. He's got the Braille drop.
What a pro!
Okay, Fetty, you got the Braille drop. Let's go.
Wait, Fetty, are you seriously gonna try this?
Some people just want to watch the world burn.
Are you sure?
I'm gonna backflip this. Alright, full send, Gabe.
You got it right here.
Definitely still rides.
I don't think he's done gonna do a backflip.
Still rides. It's definitely broken.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Oh, the whole entire chain came out.
That's fixable. Who would make a bike that goes 10 miles per hour? You want, this is faster. That's not even that fast.
What do you think?
I think that the same. It goes very slow, but maybe if it's for kids, it's meant to go slow, so they're like nice and safe.
Did you like it?
I had fun.
We couldn't. It kept cutting out though. It'd be like you'd start to go and then cut out.
This is the same experience right here. Same experience. Whoa.
Sir, what did you think?
Yeah, if it's for your kids or something, I guess you wouldn't have to worry really. Except because
Be
if
bad.
they're riding on something, anything really, and their front tire slides out and they just smack on the ground, it's not good. But it won't go that fast, so I don't know.
Thanks.
All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed that video and had a blast like we had a blast filming it. I want you, yes, you, each and every single one of you, to go to brailleskateboarding.com and get a skateboard, learn how to skateboard. We're in a huge push to get everyone on the entire planet onto a skateboard. So go to brailleskateboarding.com, up to 50% off. So go there and have an awesome Christmas. I'll see you in the next video.